Now, the Supreme Court ended its term with a major ruling striking down President Trump's executive order limiting birthright citizenship. The High Court said that children born in the U.S. are citizens regardless of their parents' immigration status.
Yeah, and another big ruling, the court said states can continue to ban transgender athletes from participating in women and girls sports. CBS News' Jared Hill has more.
Birthright. That's a big one.
One of the first executive orders of President Trump's second term.
Birthright citizenship is a disgrace.
Now struck down in the Supreme Court's final opinion of their latest term. 5-4, narrowly rejecting the president's argument that the 14th Amendment granted citizenship to enslaved black people and their descendants, not the more than 250,000 children born in the U.S. each year to non-citizens. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, said under the Constitution, they are citizens at birth. President Trump called the ruling too bad for our country and urged Congress to immediately find other ways to take action. House Speaker Mike Johnson, a Republican, heeded the call.
If it requires constitutional amendment, maybe we work towards that. If there's something we do statutorily, maybe we do that as well.
Congressional Democrats praised the ruling.
No would-be king gets to pick and choose who is and who is not American.
The decision was also hailed by Norman Wong, great-grandson of Wong Kim Ark, the San Francisco-born Chinese-American at the center of the Supreme Court's first case upholding birthright citizenship for the children of non-citizens back in 1898.
He's become a symbol to the common man. The common man can make a difference.
In a separate 6-3 decision yesterday, the court ruled that states can continue to prohibit transgender athletes from competing on female sports teams. Currently, 27 states have bans on the books. President Trump called that ruling a big win. Jared Hill, CBS News.
And here in East Texas, immigration advocates say the decision to uphold birthright citizenship protects a long-established constitutional right, but argue it also underscores the need for action from Congress. The Hispanic American Association of East Texas says people began celebrating as soon as the ruling came down. Executive Director Gilbert Urbina says a different outcome could have reshaped how the 14th Amendment is interpreted, guaranteeing citizenship to those born in the U.S. And while he says this decision keeps that protection in place, he adds the larger fight over immigration reform is still far from settled.
In the executive order, he wanted to stop illegal immigration, a lot of people coming at one time, and that was the point of view. And I understand that reasoning, but this way was not the way to resolve it.
Urbina says his organization will keep working to guide immigrants through the legal system while keeping a close eye on any changes to federal immigration laws.
And another major ruling, the Supreme Court consolidated 2 cases involving transgender athletes and ruled in favor of the state, saying Title IX allows schools to maintain women's and girls' sports for biological females. While supporters feel that the ruling acknowledges safety and fairness concerns on behalf of women and girls, LGBT advocates in East Texas argue that ruling is less about protection and more about discrimination.
The NCAA chair in 2024 said he knew of only 10 trans people in collegiate sports out of 510,000 people. So this is a ruling that impacts such a small minority of the people who actually are engaged in these sports.
Well, that decision comes amid ongoing debates about transgender bathroom access and service in the military. The ruling leaves in place laws and policies in 29 states, including Texas.